Today we're in a quiet corner of Sycamore Avenue. This home offers far more than what you might expect. Let's take a look inside. As you step inside, you're welcomed into a light, well-proportioned lounge dining room, which is calm, comfortable, and thoughtfully arranged for modern-day living. As an end-of-terrace home, the additional windows invite in an abundance of natural light. To the rear of the property, the kitchen overlooks the garden, offering an easy connection between inside and out. Upstairs, you will find 2 generous bedrooms that provide excellent flexibility. Outside, the private garden offers space to unwind, while the garage adds valuable practicality. This home on Sycamore Avenue feels private, balanced, and ready to move straight into. Positioned close to transport links, local amenities, and green open spaces. If you are ready to make this house your next home, contact Benita at Haley Giorgio Property today.